If you are planning to change your WhatsApp phone number but don't want to lose your WhatsApp chats, groups, photos, videos, or account information, then this video is for you. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your WhatsApp mobile number safely without losing any data. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now, tap the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Now, tap on your profile name at the top. Here, you will see your current phone number. Tap on it. From here, tap on this next button. Now, enter your current WhatsApp number in the first field and your new phone number in the second field. Make sure both numbers are correct, including the country code. Once everything looks good, tap Next. Here, WhatsApp will ask if you want to notify your contacts about your new number. Turn on the option if you want to let them know. Then tap on Done. Now, WhatsApp will send a verification code to your new phone number. Enter the code when you receive it. After the verification is complete, your WhatsApp account will be moved to the new number automatically. Don't worry, your chats, groups, profile photo, settings, account information, and media files will stay on your account. And that's how you can change your WhatsApp mobile number without losing any data. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.